Your hunger is being controlled and not in your favor. Every time you feel hungry just a few hours after eating, it's not because your body needs more food. It's because the wrong foods are keeping you trapped in a cycle of cravings, energy crashes, and constant snacking. And here's the warning most people never hear. There are powerful sugar-free foods that can shut down your hunger, keep you full for hours, and make your body naturally eat less without struggle. But almost nobody is using them the right way. Stay with me because one of these foods is something you eat all the time, and it might be the reason you're still feeling hungry. That deep, powerful fullness, the kind that makes you forget about food for hours. That's what real nutrition feels like, and it starts with eggs. Eggs are loaded with high-quality protein and healthy fats that slow digestion and keep your stomach satisfied for a long time, helping reduce hunger hormones and stabilize your blood sugar so you don't get sudden cravings. But here's what makes them even more powerful. Eggs trigger fullness signals in your brain, which means you naturally eat less without even trying. This is why people who eat eggs in the morning often stay full much longer compared to high-carb meals that leave you hungry again quickly. They also help prevent energy crashes that lead to sugar cravings later in the day, keeping your energy steady and your appetite under control. And when you combine eggs with vegetables or healthy fats, they become even more filling, turning into a complete meal that can keep you satisfied for hours. That's why eggs are one of the strongest foods you can use to control your hunger naturally and stay full all day without relying on sugar. And before we move to the next food, if you want a complete list of the best sugar-free foods for fast weight loss, I've created a free ebook for you. You'll find the link in the description and the first comment. That smooth, steady energy. No crashes, no cravings, just long-lasting satisfaction. And it comes from avocados. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and fiber, a powerful combination that slows digestion and keeps you feeling full for hours while preventing blood sugar spikes that usually trigger hunger. But here's what makes them even more effective. The fats in avocados send strong fullness signals to your brain, helping you naturally eat less without feeling restricted. This is why meals that include avocados tend to keep you satisfied much longer compared to low-fat or high-carb meals. They also help stabilize your energy levels throughout the day, which means fewer cravings, less snacking, and better control over your appetite. And when you combine avocados with protein-rich foods, they become even more powerful, creating a meal that keeps you full and focused for hours. That's why avocados are one of the smartest sugar-free foods you can add to your routine if you want to stay full all day and reduce cravings naturally. That slow, lasting fuel your body depends on, something that keeps working long after you eat it. That's exactly what you get from oats. Oats are packed with beta-glucan fiber, which forms a thick gel-like texture in your stomach and slows down digestion, helping you stay full much longer and reducing hunger throughout the day. But here's what makes oats even more powerful. This type of fiber also helps control your blood sugar levels, which means fewer spikes and crashes that usually lead to cravings and constant snacking. Instead of feeling hungry again after a short time, your body stays satisfied and balanced. They also support your gut health, which plays a big role in how your body controls appetite and hunger signals. And when you combine oats with protein or healthy fats, they become even more filling, turning into a complete meal that keeps you energized and satisfied for hours. That's why oats are one of the best sugar-free foods you can use to control hunger naturally. Just make sure to always choose plain oats, because flavored versions are often loaded with hidden sugars that cancel these benefits. That strong, lasting satisfaction after a meal, the kind that stops you from thinking about food again, that comes from chicken breast. Chicken breast is packed with lean protein, which directly reduces hunger hormones and increases fullness signals in your body, helping you feel satisfied faster and stay full much longer. But here's what makes it even more powerful. Protein is the most filling nutrient your body can get, which means meals built around chicken naturally control your appetite and reduce the urge to snack later. This is why high-protein meals consistently lead to eating fewer calories without forcing yourself. It also helps stabilize your blood sugar levels, preventing the spikes and crashes that usually trigger cravings and constant hunger. And when you pair chicken breast with fiber-rich foods like vegetables, it becomes even more effective, creating a balanced meal that keeps you full and in control for hours. That's why chicken breast is one of the most reliable sugar-free foods you can use to manage hunger and stay satisfied throughout the day. That deep, steady fullness, the kind that keeps you satisfied without constant cravings. That's what you get from sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in fiber and complex carbohydrates that digest slowly, helping your body stay full for longer while keeping your blood sugar stable. But here's what makes them even more effective. Their slow digesting carbs provide a steady release of energy, which means no sudden spikes and crashes that lead to hunger and snacking. Instead, you get long-lasting fuel that keeps your appetite under control throughout the day. And when you combine sweet potatoes with protein, they become even more powerful, creating a balanced meal that keeps you full and energized for hours. That's why sweet potatoes are one of the smartest sugar-free foods you can use to stay full longer and reduce cravings naturally. That creamy, rich satisfaction, the kind that feels like a treat but actually keeps you full. That's the power of Greek yogurt. Unsweetened Greek yogurt is packed with high-quality protein that slows digestion and helps your body feel satisfied for a long time, reducing hunger and preventing unnecessary snacking. But here's what makes it even more effective. The protein in Greek yogurt increases fullness signals in your body, which means you naturally eat less without feeling restricted. This is why it's one of the best choices when you want something filling without adding sugar. It also supports your gut health, and that plays a bigger role than most people realize when it comes to controlling appetite and cravings. And when you combine Greek yogurt with fiber-rich foods, it becomes even more powerful, creating a balanced meal that keeps you full and energized for hours. That's why Greek yogurt is one of the smartest sugar-free foods you can use to stay satisfied and in control of your hunger throughout the day. That clean, powerful protein, the kind that fills you up fast and keeps you full for hours. That's what you get from tuna. Tuna is packed with lean protein that slows digestion and increases fullness signals in your body, helping you feel satisfied quickly and stay full much longer without needing extra calories. But here's what makes it even more effective. High-protein foods like tuna directly reduce hunger hormones, which means fewer cravings and less desire to snack between meals. Instead of constantly thinking about food, your appetite stays under control naturally. It also provides steady energy without causing blood sugar spikes, helping you avoid the crashes that usually lead to overeating later in the day. And when you pair tuna with fiber-rich foods, it becomes even more filling, creating a balanced meal that keeps you satisfied for hours. That's why tuna is one of the most effective sugar-free foods you can use to control hunger and stay full all day. That light but powerful fullness, the kind where you feel satisfied without feeling heavy, that's what you get from broccoli. Broccoli is low in calories but packed with fiber, which fills your stomach and slows digestion, helping you stay full for longer without adding extra calories. But here's what makes it even more effective. Foods high in fiber like broccoli take longer to break down, which means your hunger stays under control and you don't feel the need to snack shortly after eating. Instead, your body stays satisfied with less food. It also adds volume to your meals, making your plate look bigger and more filling, which plays a powerful role in reducing your appetite naturally. And when you combine broccoli with protein-rich foods, it becomes even more satisfying, creating a balanced meal that keeps you full for hours. That's why broccoli is one of the smartest sugar-free foods you can add to your meals if you want to stay full longer and reduce cravings naturally. That rich, powerful satisfaction, the kind that keeps you full for hours without even thinking about food. That's what you get from salmon. Salmon is packed with high-quality protein and healthy omega-3 fats that slow digestion and help your body feel satisfied for a long time, reducing hunger and preventing unnecessary snacking. But here's what makes it even more effective. The combination of protein and healthy fats sends strong fullness signals to your brain, helping you naturally eat less without feeling restricted. This is why meals that include salmon are much more satisfying compared to low-fat or high-carb meals. It also helps regulate hunger hormones and keeps your energy stable, preventing the spikes and crashes that usually lead to cravings later in the day. And when you pair salmon with fiber-rich foods, it becomes even more powerful, creating a balanced meal that keeps you full and energized for hours. That's why salmon is one of the most effective sugar-free foods you can use to stay full longer and keep your appetite under control naturally. That natural sweetness, the kind that satisfies you without triggering more cravings, that's what you get from apples. Apples are rich in fiber and water, a powerful combination that fills your stomach and slows digestion, helping you feel full for longer while keeping your appetite under control. But here's what makes them even more effective. The fiber in apples helps stabilize your blood sugar, which means fewer spikes and crashes that usually lead to hunger and snacking. Instead of making you crave more sugar, apples help reduce those those cravings naturally. They also take longer to chew and digest, which gives your body more time to register fullness, helping you eat less without even realizing it. And when you eat apples whole instead of as juice, you get the full benefit that keeps you satisfied for longer. That's why apples are one of the simplest and smartest sugar-free foods you can use to stay full longer and reduce cravings throughout the day. That steady, long-lasting fullness, the kind that keeps your hunger quiet for hours. That's what you get from lentils. Lentils are packed with both protein and fiber, a powerful combination that slows digestion and helps your body feel satisfied for a long time, reducing hunger and preventing unnecessary snacking. But here's what makes them even more effective. This combination helps stabilize your blood sugar levels, which means fewer spikes and crashes that usually trigger cravings. Instead of feeling hungry again shortly after eating, your appetite stays under control and balanced. They also provide steady, long-lasting energy, helping you stay full and focused throughout the day without needing constant meals. And when you combine lentils with other whole foods, they become even more filling, creating a complete meal that keeps you satisfied for hours. That's why lentils are one of the most powerful sugar-free foods you can use to stay full longer and control your appetite naturally. That light, refreshing fullness, the kind that instantly takes the edge off your hunger. That's what you get from cucumbers. Cucumbers are made up of mostly water, which helps fill your stomach quickly and reduce hunger without adding extra calories, making them perfect when you feel like snacking. But here's what makes them more effective than most people think. Foods high in water and volume help stretch your stomach, sending fullness signals to your brain so you feel satisfied faster and eat less overall. Instead of reaching for high-calorie snacks, cucumbers give you that full feeling without the downside. They also help keep you hydrated, and hydration plays a key role in controlling hunger, since your body often confuses thirst with hunger. And when you combine cucumbers with protein or healthy fats, they become even more satisfying, turning into a simple snack that keeps your appetite under control. That's why cucumbers are one of the easiest sugar-free foods you can use to reduce hunger and stay on track throughout the day. The truth is simple. Staying full all day isn't about eating more food. It's about choosing the right foods. When you start adding these sugar-free foods into your routine, your cravings drop, your hunger stays under control, and your body starts working with you instead of against you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which of these foods you're going to start adding to your daily routine. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want the complete list of the best sugar-free foods for fast weight loss, don't forget to download my free ebook. It's in the description and the first comment.